Are you looking for a new leisure battery for your caravan or motorhome? Falcon has the solution for you. The Falcon Lithium 100 amp leisure battery with a lifespan of 10 years. Our lithium battery is capable of up to 6,000 cycles, compared to a standard lead-acid battery which only lasts about 3 years and are capable of about 300 cycles. Unlike a lead-acid battery, our lithium batteries are capable of using 100% of the energy stored in the battery, whereas a lead-acid battery would need recharging once the battery's charge had gone below 50%. The Falcon lithium battery is also half the weight of a standard leisure battery, meaning you won't have to worry about your van's weight when getting on the ferry. Our lithium battery charges 10 times faster than normal leisure batteries, producing 100 amps of continuous discharge current, with less than 2% discharge per month. Built-in Bluetooth allows you to connect your smartphone or tablet to your battery so you can monitor the health and storage of your lithium battery, and allows you to have a better understanding of your energy needs. With a built-in battery management system to ensure safety and efficient operation. The Falcon lithium battery is the perfect leisure battery solution if you are looking to ensure your van is safe and capable of keeping up with your energy needs. Life made easy by Falcon.